Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Friday, May 7th, 2021. And how about we start off with this? History has just been made and the market didn't even open yet. What am I talking about? We just got a piece of economic news that could not possibly be worse. Okay. Economists polled expected this private payrolls jobs number to be 1 million. It came in at 266,000. For your information, this is the biggest miss in history. The biggest miss in history. Now, maybe one of you can explain this to me because it's always the same story. How is it that these economists that are polled are consistently and always wrong? They're never right. Look, I understand. Look, I'm not right all the time either, but at least I get it right most of the time. These people are never right ever. It's shocking to me. What are they doing? Are they drinking the Kool-Aid? Are they buying? We are not in an economic recovery whatsoever. Zero. Where's the proof? Okay, yesterday, you remember I showed you that nice chart of the money velocity? The money velocity being at a historic low, or very close to a historic low. You cannot have a booming economy or even an improving economy without money velocity moving higher. Can't happen. Okay, but they can't tell you that. Look, it's an incredible thing here. So the biggest jobs miss in history. Congratulations. All right, let's talk about this too. And I had to write this down. This was yesterday. My little notepad. I love this notepad. I'm almost out of paper. The Federal Reserve, okay, is warning of significant losses in the market because valuations in the stock market have gotten way out of control. Now, I think that requires a duh. I've explained to all of you literally since time immemorial that the stock market valuations are stupid and nothing makes sense. Look, in this environment, nothing makes sense. And it's the Federal Reserve doing this. They're deliberately inflating asset bubbles. Now, let me tell you something. When the Federal Reserve comes out and explains that this market may be in for a significant drop, it makes me bullish, okay? Bullish, because the Fed is not going to stop. You want to hear something else that's just lovely? You know who Lex Luthor is, of the Federal Reserve? That's Neil Kashkari. I call this man the Lex Luthor of the Federal Reserve. Guess what he's saying? He's now jumping on the bandwagon of this inflationary cycle that we're in right now. It's just transitory. Well, coming out of the mouth of supervillain, because that's what he is, Neil Kashkari, aka Lex Luthor. Well, that just puts my mind at ease. Absolutely, this is transitory and it's going to magically go away. People, you got to be kidding me. You've got to be freaking kidding me. You want to talk about a freak show? It does not get any freakier than today. With a historic jobs miss, okay, abysmal economic news, Lex Luthor of the Federal Reserve telling us, yes, it's transitory, yeah. People, again, we are living in a nightmare. And that nightmare is getting worse for a lot of people, and that bothers me. I want every single one of you, and I mean every single one of you, not even those of you that don't like me, that think I'm a stock market shill, that I'm a crypto shill, or I'm a gold and silver shill. I want life to be good for you too. Okay? And if you want to buy into the Lex Luthors of the world, it's over for you, period, the end. Look at the dollar today, okay, off of this abysmal economics news, this historic jobs number miss. The dollar is cratering right now. It's cratering. No surprise to you. The dollar is a dying asset. 10-year yield is stable. Crude oil under a little pressure. Not a nice setup for this market this morning here. Stock futures are about flat. Gold and silver are catching a bid. Cryptocurrencies are getting bid higher. Dash, my new favorite crypto, is like $435. Up from $280 just last week. You got to be kidding me. This is insane. I personally think it needs to pull back. It's gone up too fast. I don't like to see an asset make a parabolic move like that. I like to see slow, kind of steady gains. When I see a parabolic move, and even in an asset that I really like, I happen to really like Dash, I want to see a pullback. Okay, I want to see a pullback, and I will buy it. I will buy that dip. Look, I've been explaining to all of you like forever now, keep on buying the dips with regard to pretty much everything out here. This abysmal jobs number we got today couldn't possibly be worse. It's historic. If the market falls, well, that to me is a buying opportunity. And if the Federal Reserve, their warning here actually comes true, let me read this to you. Significant losses in asset prices because of valuations. Valuations have no bearing on reality. Forward guidance has no bearing on reality. Nothing has a bearing on reality when you have a Federal Reserve buying it all and running an inflation creation machine. That is, they're issuing debt through one door, buying it through the other door. Why isn't anyone else talking about this? Really, honestly, members of Congress, a single one of you, if you're watching my work, why are you not asking the Federal Reserve why they're deliberately running an inflation machine and then complaining and then saying all of a sudden, oh, it's just transitory? And Lex Luthor himself, Neil Kashkari. Yeah, Neil, you are Lex Luthor. And for you to come out and say, oh, it's just transitory too. Oh, yeah, I believe you. Oh, I really do. This is you. That's what you look like. You're an evil son of a bitch. Anyway, people, look, I think you get the picture here. So, I don't know what else to say. I want you to seriously think about the things I speak about in these videos every day. I give it to you as straight and as hard and as cold as I possibly can. I don't sugarcoat a damn thing because I personally don't care and I don't work for anyone. So I don't answer to anyone. I answer to you. My responsibility is to all of you, the tens of thousands of you that follow my work from all over the world. Yeah, you're who I answer to, okay? That's it. I feel a responsibility to tell you how it really is, okay? You're not in la-la land with regard, like most people out here. They live in la-la land and they buy the dog shit, okay? And that's why they are all losing. You and me are on the right side of this equation. We will remain on the right side of this equation and we will not lose. We're not going to let the Lex Luthors of the world beat us down. The freak show that we're in, it ain't happening. It's not happening on my watch. Okay, let me get calm here. So I pretty much covered all of the important points for you here, people. This Federal Reserve warning on the market, valuations, Lex Luthor's abysmal economic news, historic miss with regard to jobs numbers. You can't make this stuff up. But again, that's what I tell you every freaking day. You can't make it up. It's impossible. All right. This guy honestly loves you a lot. Please share this video. Would you do me a favor? Honestly, those of you who follow my work, go to my website, traderschoice.net. I set up that website with all kinds of free stuff for you that you can download for free. There's a free chat room there. Just please take advantage of it. It's not for me. It's for you. And it looks like we were getting a nice run up higher with those of you that are using my chat room. And now it seems to be waning off. There's a lot of good resources there for you. There's a stock screener, cryptocurrency screener, all kinds of stuff for you. Please go check it out. Again, traderschoice.net. There is a link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my free newsletter either. Also, link in the description of this video. All right, I'm going to let you go. Love you a lot. See you later.